Hello, welcome to the basement. I'm going through some vintage records. Stanley Holloway. His famous adventures with Old Sam and the Ramsbottoms. I have never heard of this. Ever. So hang on here. I figure I should find something else to stick up here. While I look at this. Hang on here. Because it's kind of boring. Here. Right. I'm going to read about Stanley Holloway. But there. Okay. Stanley Holloway, his famous adventures with Old Sam, the Ramsbottoms. Here is an excellent case of grand old ale in a new bottle. The flavorful adventures of that stubborn flower of Lancashire, Old Sam, and his cantankerous Ramsbottom family. Mr. and Mrs. and Albert, issued for the first time on long-playing record. Angel Records might just claim this as a public service, for ever since Stanley Holloway first recorded these monologues, copies of the 78 RPM versions have been hoarded like diamonds in record collections all over the world. If you have the originals, rejoice. This recording is taken from the first masters. A list of the original recording dates is appended. Oh, I have, okay. Yes, you know what? My grandfather, now that I look at this, Albert and the Lion, my grandfather was one who did monologues. And I know that at some point he did Albert and the Lion. And there's also one, Albert Comes Back. Runcorn Ferry. Albert and the Headsman. Jubilee Sovereign. And Bolin. Side 2. Marksman Sam. One each apiece. Sam's Medal. Sam Drummed Out. The Oil in the Ark. Jonah and the Grampus. Oh my, these are recorded in the 1930s. It's funny, when I saw that Ramsbottoms, I thought, I remember this. Albert and the Lion. The Ramsbottom visit the Blackpool Zoo, where dear little Albert tries to rough up a lion and gets himself swallowed whole. This is perhaps the most famous of all the Ramsbottom adventures. Well, this looks intriguing. Let us go to our phone and search for Stanley Holloway. Oh, Holloway. Oh, I'll just search. Stanley Holloway. Oh, CD. Stanley Holloway. CD. What happened at the zoo 12? I'm looking. Oh, for this. Oh, there's this record. Oh, the original Stanley Holloway. Asking $1.30 Canadian plus $21 shipping. That is not particularly enticing. Well, this is more. Maybe it's in rough shape. Maybe it is. Once again, I do need to get a record player set up so that I can see what's what here. Or hear what's what. So, I suppose what I should do is shoot a picture, as I have been known to do. I will go for the square. Try and pick a good frame. Pick a good frame. It is tough at times. It is tough. Especially when I have this other record behind it that is peeking through. But oh well. So be it. Yeah, that's not bad. Alright. So, I'm not sure if I showed you the back. There's the back. So, yes, I will figure out how I can play these. I do have a turntable that I found down here. Maybe I'll see if I can get that connected and play some of these. I shall. But while I continue, let me see. Maybe we can get an idea of what the next one might be. There are so many. Ooh, this looks something. It has a powerful illustration. Johann Strauss. Fledermaus Suite. The Philadelphia Orchestra. Eugene Ormandy, conductor. Ooh. That looks something. It does. Just looking for the year, which of course I don't see. Anyway, thanks for coming to the basement. We will see you again as I continue to search old vintage records. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now. Da, 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 da.